Good afternoon. Today is August 26th. My name is Loretta Smith and I am the Commissioner from Multnomah County, District 2, and I wanted to say hello to everyone and let you know what I've been doing this past week. I had a great week this week and I had an opportunity to speak with Congressman Earl Blumenauer and his staff. They were meeting here for a all-staff and statewide meeting on issues, and they wanted to find out what was actually happening with Multnomah County and what our issues are. There are three things that are very important to us here at Multnomah County, and that's rebalancing the budget, healthcare reform, and making sure that we help to create jobs with Selwood Bridge. I passed on those three top issues for Multnomah County, and I will be working with their staff in the coming months. The second thing that I did this week was to go out into the community and talk to folks and see what they're doing, and I saw a couple interesting projects that I had worked on in the past 5 years which really made me happy, and that was the North by Northeast Health Clinic. I had a chance to go out and speak to the folks over there who were celebrating 5 big years of operation. They've served over 5,000 folks who are uninsured in Multnomah County, and it gave me great pleasure to go and celebrate with them this weekend. In addition to that, I was also able to go out to Self Enhancement Inc., where they were celebrating 30 years of service in this community. We had a couple of really good highlights at this week's board meeting. And we had a proclamation proclaiming September as National Recovery Month, and I'll read a couple lines from that proclamation. Behavioral health is an essential part of health and one's overall wellness, and prevention works and treatment is effective, and people can do and recover from substance use and mental health disorders. And the reason why this is so important is we spend an awful lot of our resources here at Multnomah County to help those residents who need that service. This week at the board meeting, there was a very moving testimony by a couple of residents who are now working in this industry, and they're now giving back to their community and helping us to celebrate next month as National Recovery Month. It does get better. And speaking about it does get better, there's a big project that, it's a national project that one of our interns was working on, and it's called It Gets Better. And I filmed the It Gets Better film this past week to talk about how youth who are from the gay and lesbian community who are being bullied. And it's a huge issue. It's something that's happening all across the country, and we're on a campaign to make sure that our youth know that we care about them. They're important. They need to know that their commitment and dedication to education and to having a career and a life in this community is one that we all support here at Multnomah County. So I just want to thank Giovanni for putting this program together and talking to all the commissioners about what we can do to make it better. And I just want everyone to know that it does get better. One of my clear priorities was to invest in our youth. I was able to get some money from our budget to make sure that we had 25 summer jobs for at-risk youth this summer, and I want to update you on our progress. We had 25 students from around the city who participated in our Summer Youth Connect, and they were placed in Multnomah County at different agencies. They had a great time. They understood what was needed, what skills they had to obtain in order to have this as a profession, and I thought it was great. It gave kids an opportunity to see on the ground level what we do here at Multnomah County. It's very exciting, from health care to public safety to the Juvenile Justice Department to animal services. We have a lot of great opportunities here at Multnomah County, and I hope that some of those youth, they have an experience that they may one day come back to Multnomah County and work. Coming up next week, we have budget work sessions on August 30th at 10 a.m. in the boardroom. I need you to help me decide, how do we rebalance our budget? Some of the cuts have come down from the state, and we need to figure out what our priorities are. Please come down to the Multnomah County boardroom, 501 Southeast Hawthorne, and help us to help you decide how can we best spend our resources. I bet you're wondering what this video is all about, and I bet you're wondering, what is Commissioner Smith doing? Well, this is my attempt to communicate with constituents in my district. I wanted to make sure that I updated you on the things that I've been doing the past 7 months, the past week, and what kind of updates we have for the future. I want you to give me a call at 503-988-5219 or email me at district2@multco.us and give me some feedback on what you've heard today, what information you'd like to hear in the future, and let me know if you even like the video. Even if you didn't like the video, give me a call or Facebook me on Facebook. Befriend me, and we can talk a little bit further. But this is my way of saying hello and letting you know what's going on here at Multnomah County. That's at 501 Southeast Hawthorne. Don't forget, our next work session is next week Tuesday at 10 a.m. in the boardroom at Multnomah County. Thank you.